When global tensions rise and oil prices spike, tech companies often respond with mass layoffs, a chain reaction that can reach your desk without warning. At that point, a traditional degree doesn't stop your monthly expenses. It provides no immediate leverage to cover next month's EMI if your primary income source vanishes. We are skipping the motivational speeches. Today, we are moving through a concrete, step-by-step reality check for your career survival. You already possess the minimum hardware required to execute this protocol, the internet-connected device you are using to watch this video. Relying on old economic structures for long-term safety is becoming a high-risk gamble. Active adaptation is the only practical way to mitigate that risk. The shift towards self-reliance is already visible in government initiatives like Digital India, which emphasize local skill development over corporate dependency. Most people treat their smartphones and laptops as tools for consumption. They spend hours scrolling through entertainment instead of using that hardware to build capital. High earners use a different framework. They build what we call a skill shield, a portfolio of digital services that maintain high demand even during market downturns. This shield is built on 5 pillars. First, video editing and meta ads, services driving visibility and sales. The third is AI tools, automating tasks to increase total output. Finally, copywriting and social media management complete the system, providing necessary conversion and distribution. While others wait for news of the next recession, individuals with these skills can pivot between clients and industries to maintain a steady income. You don't need to master all 5 at once. Specializing in even one of these pillars provides a level of financial control that a single corporate salary cannot match. To begin the training, you need to navigate away from the video player and look at the interface elements around it. Locate the description box below this video, or the bio link on the main profile page. The UI highlight shows exactly where to click. Open that section and click the link to the secure portal to start the registration. The portal will ask for 3 specific data points: your name, your email, and your phone number. Ensure this information is accurate. Inaccurate data will prevent the system from sending your access credentials, effectively blocking you from the next phase. Once you have verified your entries, press the Submission button to finalize your registration. Completing this step links your profile to the operational group and confirms your intent to move from theory to execution. Do not close your browser immediately after submitting the form. There is one more step to secure your spot. Look for the success screen. It contains a secondary gateway, a single button that allows you to join the private operational group. This group is the central hub where you will find the specific tactical training and the details for the upcoming modules. Click that button now and confirm your entry into the chat interface. If you skip this step, your registration is incomplete. Your integration into the training happens entirely within the community group. You will know you have succeeded when you see the automated welcome message inside the group. In an unpredictable economy, these digital skills serve as a personal safety net. They are portable assets that you control directly, regardless of market fluctuations. Watch the group notifications closely. The first practical training module will be delivered there shortly. I appreciate your focus and your decision to take action today. By following this protocol, you have started the process of turning your digital device into a tool for financial independence.